I-connect mo kaya yung akin ining sa yung kwan?
Ay, wala ka na mga paglagayan dyan.
Hindi, at least meron. Makapatong din. Connect mo sa internet mo.
Ah, okay.
Teka lang ha.
Akin na.
Ito na lang isa.
Turn left after a quarter of a mile onto Arkansas 7.
The only problem is not showing it, but there is a voice already.
Yeah. It's just a left at the street we were on for the gas station.
Yep. But I don't want to put a gasoline again in the CL. It's very
Turn next left.
expensive.
Hanap pa po tayong Ras Al Khaimah.
Meron layo.
Ras Al Khaimah at bumalik ng Dubai at pumunta ng Abu Dhabi.
Oh, 5 hours and 7 minutes pa eh.
Ano kasi mo bipola? Yan. The flowers are blooming. I told you to don't rip them.
Katabi ko din eh, 30 minutes tulog eh. Makakatapos tulog pa rin. natin alam, dalawang way na to.
Not with Babbel. Babbel's lessons take just 15 minutes a day.
15 minutes isn't long.
Nope, and they're fun. So you don't realize you're learning a language, but you are. In 3 weeks, you're able to start having conversations.
Use the middle lane to turn slightly right, then use the left lane to turn slightly left.
Pero ba't nandito yung inaturo dito? Ah, ayan. Itong ko na to. Okay. Naku Mike there is no gasoline station in here.
Yeah, it's at the end of the street. Go straight.
Go straight?
Yeah.
Turn right on
But we need to turn right here.
then slight
You
right.
could go back.
Ah, okay, okay. So, just go straight, ha? Ooh.
Head southwest on
Diretso daw,
Ballpark Way,
tapos
then make a
And
U-turn.
then,
At the light, turn left onto Convention.
Lapit na, sa layo.
Head south on Ballpark Way,
Straight
then make
again?
a U-turn. Make a U-turn.
Punta na muna doon. Nandun na sila eh.
Head south on Ballpark Railroad.
how long you are,
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto AT&T Way.
how many years you're not here in your place?
Not very many, like 3.
Ah, so there's a lot of changes already, that's why.
Well, that's in 7 months.
Turn right onto AT&T Way.
We need to go back now in the hotel and then we're going that side when we're going to put the gasoline.
It's far. So far.
Make it, to make it sure.
Dire-diretso na eh. Let's open let's turn on the light.
Celine, ano? Vlog.
Vlogger.
Yay, kasama ko na si Celine. Hello. So, wakas, nandito kami sa, ano ka ito? Arlington, Texas. Ayun si Jan, nasa unahan.
Ayan no, sa Six Flags. Kasi hindi mo tayo masakay sa rice. Mautos tayo mag.
Kaway, kaway.
Ano ba yun? Ay!
Hindi.
Ano ko na mamaya pagkakain tayo.
Ay, gutom na kami.
Lagi kami nagaplanong pumunta dyan.
Sorry.
This is Texas Secretary of State Jay Nelson reminding all Texans to
bilis.
plan for voting. My goal this year is to make sure every qualified Texan
Ay, yung aming mga kapitbahay doon, yung mga ano? Mga estudyanteng ano?
If you plan to vote in
At
person,
yung mga college student. Sabi ko kami, baka pag uwi mo, wala na ako. Nasa kapitbahay na. Ay, pag minsan inalabas yung mga naka-shorts lang at nagtatapo ng basura, ako silip isa.
Mabatang pa.
Sabi ko, pag uwi mo, wala na ako.
May sushi din pala sila.
Tamang-tama, makakain tayo, Celine. May ano?
Madaming food. Ilagay ka mayones.
Oh, ano?
Yeah.
You like it? Celine, masarap dito.
To death. Tell your doctor right away if you have new or worsening symptoms, including trouble breathing, shortness of breath, cough, or chest pain. Before taking Ibrance, tell your doctor if you have fever, chills, or other signs of infection, liver or kidney problems, are or plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low platelet counts, infections, tiredness, nausea, sore mouth, abnormalities in liver blood tests, diarrhea, hair thinning or loss, vomiting, rash, and loss of appetite.
Sa kabilang side. Tanda ko ganyan yung kanilang ano. dun sa bahay nila. Pero ito lang, gano'n sa kabilang side. Banda ko ganyan yung kanilang ano.
Remember which one it is? It's the second one right here.
Punta tayo dun sa bahay nila.
Trip ka daan. Pag malipat. Nagpunta kami dito. Tatay niya. Ano gusto nilang mag-travel po.
Mas maganda yung isa in downtown.
Eh di mamaya, kasi doon mas maganda pag pangalawa na.
Ay, oo, nung una pala tayo dito.
Dinala kami dito nung nagulan pa nga nun. Nalalaglag ka nun.
Actually. May sandali.
Sana all.
Why you want some milk?
Are we not ordering?
I mean, everybody else is drinking it. Okay. If you want to get some
I guess what we do.
Come on. Yo, go!
That's why I said it's a good spot. Like, that's what I was thinking right here for pictures.